we've got a little assignment that we're going to do. We're going to make our own bar graph with some data that I am going to give you and present to you. It's going to be fun. It's going to be about bears, but a special type of bear. No, so real quick, we've done some bar graph lessons already. Who can tell me what is a bar graph? Kira.
It's a table how you show data.
Correct. It's a table. That's right. It's a table tool. Listen up, guys. A bar graph is a tool that we use to analyze data, organize data. Landon. Now, why do we use bar graphs? Britt.
To show data.
Show data. And now that data, we organize it on that bar graph, but what parts, when you're looking at a bar graph, what is the first thing that we should look at a bar graph to see what kind of data we're looking at or what kind of data they're trying to show us? Emma.
The title.
The title, that's right. The title is very important because it's going to tell you what you're pretty much looking at. If the title says, the title's telling you how many bears. The title tells you how many bears, or if the title tells you, let's just say bears. The title of it says bears at the top. What do you think we're going to be analyzing?
Bears.
Bears. Good job. Now, for how many axes are there on a bar graph, and what are they, Madeline?
Wait, what axis is?
The axis is the planes, the lines. Of the bar graph. That's right. There's a y-axis, and what's the other one? The x-axis. Now, which one goes horizontally? Matthew Green? Which axis goes horizontal? Correct. Now, which axis goes vertically up and down? Bart? Y-axis. That is correct. Now, what are some of the, let's say we're having the title of the graph is bears. Now, what about bears? Let's say they are different colored bears. What do you think we would put on the x-axis? Emma?
Like what the colors
What the colors of the bear would be. Let's say blue, green, yellow, orange, right? And that would go at the bottom. Now, what do you think we would put on the y-axis?
There would be puppies.
Kira?
No, they aren't. The numbers!
The numbers. That is correct.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Real quick. Go ahead. You step in. So, what's the most, real quick, what's the most important part of a bar graph? Kira, you're just answering everything. Matthew,
Oh, come on.
what do you think the most important part of a bar graph is?
Title?
The title. And why?
Because it tells you what the graph is going to be about, what the topic, what you're about to look at.
That's
The
right.
topic.
We're going to do a little assignment, a little assessment on bar graphs. Grab the piece of paper, the bar graph piece of paper that you have in front of you,
Oh, yes.
and I want you guys to follow along with what I'm doing on here. Once we get our graph set up the way that we want it, we're going to do a table assignment, and you guys are going to work in a group. You're going to come up with a title. You're going to come up with the x and the y axis. And Chloe, Madeline, listen up. Once I give you guys the data, I want you guys to categorize it, how you're going to do it. And I want you guys to make the bar graphs with the data. Nope. We're going to do table group. So here we go. How would we go about and start this bar graph? Let's draw, where will we draw the x-axis?
Miss Holly.
Emma, come up here with my pen and go ahead and draw me an x-axis. Let's pay attention. We should be doing what Emma's doing. Emma, let's do it in about.
You should? I don't know what Emma's doing.
That's why we've got to watch. She's drawing us an x-axis on this piece of paper. There's the x-axis. Can you label it right on the lower left-hand corner? X-axis. Yep, we should be following along.
Wait, does it matter how long?
No, it doesn't really matter. I would use most of the page though, because we're going to use this for our assignment. Now, who wants to do the y-axis? Bart. We're not going to talk. Now, draw. Okay, here comes Barton. Ready? And just label it up in the upper left-hand corner. Let me see who's following along.
Oh, we're
Kira,
supposed to be doing this?
yes, we're supposed to be doing this. This is going to be what we're going to use for our. You go ahead and you do it. Once everybody's done with those two parts, raise your hand or give me a thumbs up so I know. Let me get a thumbs up so I know everybody's done.
Give them thumbs up.
Okay, now I need Finley. Listen up, Finley, come up here. I need you to do me a very important job. Go around to everybody and give them one squirt on their hands. We gotta have clean hands for this assignment. So Finley's gonna come around. She's gonna give you one squirt and just let's sanitize our hands. We can't ask too many questions. We're gonna go ahead step by step.
You scared? I'm scared. I'm kind of scared. I'm a little too. I'm scared. I'm not scared at all. I'm scared.
Let's just stop, guys. Just one squirt. There we go.
Why is everybody so scared? I'm not scared.
That's okay. All right, now I need. Let's see. I want one person from each group that is quiet, is raising their hand, and is doing what they're supposed to be doing. Let me see. Madison, you come over here from the Green Bay Puppies. Kira, come over here from the Karate Soccer Moms. Owen, come over here from the Spinosaurus. And Colin, come on up from the Puppy Dragons. Now, what I'm gonna no pencil. Now, what I'm gonna give out, I don't want open. I just want you guys to take it back to your group, okay? Okay. Sit on down. We're gonna do step by step. Okay. Now I need everybody. Let's listen up. Now, if we're not listening, and we're not doing, hold on, going up and down. Let me get everybody's attention. Give me 5. Everybody give me 5. Let me get 5 before I go any further. Hold on. 5. Let me get 5. Look up at me. Now, if we can't stay on task, we're not going to be able to enjoy this assignment. Okay? So, whoever's got the gummy bears, hold the gummy bears up. Everybody sit on down. No. I'm going to go around. Listen. guys aren't listening up, you guys aren't going to be able to enjoy it. I'm going to go around, I'm going to open up the gummy bears. Nobody take any, nobody eat them. We're going to use them. Hold the bottom. Here we go. Hold on, we've got to be quiet. Did everybody get, class, did everybody get some hand sanitizer? Okay. Something else for you, okay? All right. That's enough. Go ahead and get yourself. Okay, let me get everybody's attention. This is what I want you guys to do. How many different colors are in your bag? 4. 5. How many different colors are in your bag, Madison?
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, how many different colors are in here, Owen?
5.
And, okay, this is what I want you guys to do. I'm going to get a piece of paper, and we're going to lay out the gummy bears on the piece of paper. Everybody, hold on.
Can we eat them after?
Not if you guys don't listen.
Mr. Nieves, so the people who got the gummy bears are very basically
If everybody listens, we'll be able to eat them. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to lay out, I'm going to lay out a piece of paper. I want you to put the gummy bears on the paper. Each student is going to be assigned a color. What you are to do, hold on, listen, what you're to do, hold on, I don't have everybody's attention. Hands up, let me get everybody's attention, give me 5. If your partner's not listening, trap them. Okay, listen up before we start choosing. Everybody's going to be assigned a color. You are to count how many you have, and then all of you guys together as a group will come up with a bar graph where you're all going to do your own. You're going to label it, you're going to title it, and then when we're done, we're going to compare all 4 groups to see how many.
I only have one color. How am I supposed to do?
Hold on. We're going to compare and see how many, what the differences are between the different packages. If they're all the same or if they're done individually.
Mr. Nieves, I have
Yes.
a question. For each gummy bear, will you say position 1 gets this kind of gummy bear, position 2 gets this kind of gummy bear?
Now, you guys could figure it out amongst yourselves. Hold on, if you can't figure it out, I will